This is your Louisiana cannabis legalization overview for 2025. Louisiana has a legal medical cannabis program, but recreational cannabis remains illegal. The state legalized medical marijuana in 2015, and the program has expanded steadily since then. Registered patients with qualifying conditions can legally purchase medical cannabis products from licensed dispensaries, including flower, concentrates, and infused products. Home cultivation is not allowed under any circumstances. Recreational possession is still illegal, though penalties have been reduced. Possession of small amounts has been decriminalized and now typically results in a fine rather than jail time. Louisiana's regulatory structure is highly centralized and unusual compared to most states. The medical program is overseen by the Louisiana Department of Health, with dispensaries regulated by the Louisiana Board of Pharmacy. Cultivation is limited to just 2 state-authorized growers, each partnered with a public university. This capped production model has kept supply tightly controlled and has been a major point of criticism, especially as patient enrollment has grown. There is no adult use regulatory framework in place since recreational cannabis is not legal. Recent policy debates in Louisiana have focused on expanding patient access, product availability, and pricing within the medical system. Lawmakers have also spent significant time addressing intoxicating hemp-derived products, including Delta-8 and THC-infused beverages. The state has moved to tighten hemp rules and close loopholes that allowed psychoactive products to be sold outside the medical cannabis system, creating tension between hemp retailers and regulators. Looking ahead, Louisiana's cannabis policy direction is expected to remain cautious and incremental. Further expansion of the medical program, such as adding qualifying conditions or improving access, remains the most likely area of change. Recreational legalization does not currently have strong momentum in the legislature, but public interest continues to grow as neighboring states move forward. For now, Louisiana's cannabis landscape is defined by a tightly controlled medical market, strict limits on cultivation, and ongoing debates over hemp regulation and patient access.